Hello dear friends and members. In my 15 years training session, I have learned lots of things while training people. So I have got lots of topics to share with you. One of them I have brought today. I would love to share with you one topic, that is loser versus winner. Why loser loses, why winner wins. If I talk about the loser, so between loser and winner there is no any difference. But the thing is that loser loses the things and loser loses 4 times and 5th time gives up. But winner does something different. Winner keeps losing the things also. That's not the different. Similar to the loser, winner keeps losing up to 12 times, 15 times, 20 times, 25 times, but never gives up. And 26th time, winner wins. Winner succeeds. So succeeding in our life is not a hard task if you do not give up. Winner becomes winner. Why? Because winner does not give up. Winner keeps succeeding then. Because winner till that learns how to handle the problems, how to handle the failures, and attitude towards problems. Winner has something. Winner has the attitude towards problem, because winner knows how to keep the problem in its proper perspective. So what winner does that makes winner a winner? I would love to tell you. First, expect the problem, anticipate the problem. Winner also expects and anticipates the problems, because when you people feel it, there is no any problem. So there is 100% there is a problem. When you are doing the job and while doing the job, while working, you say to somebody, my gosh, I'm unable to do this task because there's a problem. So why company has kept you? Why you are getting paid by the company? Because company knows you are the guy who can solve the problems, and you are not solving the problems. So anticipate the problems, expect the problems. Whenever you are especially outside somewhere, you're going uphill. And you know very well, going uphill will make you something hard, will make you something will make you something do harder than the hardest. And you are not going uphill, so it will be hard? No, it will be very easy. But what you have done? Like loser, you have given up. Going uphill is 100% gonna be tough. And the biggest thing is that you are 100% progressing. And now how would you get to know that you are progressing? When you are going uphill and when you are getting lots of problems. So when your problems arise, so it means you progress. So arising the problems will make you progress in your life. Second, first you expect and anticipate the problems. Second, face the problems. Don't avoid the problems. There was one topic, elephant in the house. Why that topic was given, elephant is in the house? Because family there were going about their work and they were not putting the heat that there is an elephant. They were telling that there is no elephant, there is no elephant. But the real thing was, there was an elephant. So when you do not face the problems, when you do not accept the problems, if elephant is there, you are supposed to take care of the elephant. If the elephant is in the house, you are supposed to keep the elephant out of the house, because elephant cannot be kept in the house. But when you have the problems and you avoid the problems, you neglect it. So 100% it would create the problems for you. If you do not fill up your life with the problems, 100% the life will be filled up with the problems which are really gonna disturb you. And if you fill up your life with the problems 100% that inspire you, so you are making your journey. Are you getting that? What do I mean? That is important. And third, when you really want to succeed in your life, when you face the problems, so learn from the problems. And now how you can learn from the problems? When you make any kind of mistake, so again, do you need to make same mistakes? Do you need to repeat the mistakes? No. There was one guy, there is just a story. Two persons were walking, two friends were walking. One of them asked, "Arey, what happened? Why this ear is swelling?" He said, "Actually, yesterday when I was ironing my clothes, bloody phone rang, and instead of just phone, I just kept the just iron on my ear." So then he said, "Arey, your another ear also is swelling." He said, "Same happened. The bloody phone again rang. Again this time, instead of this hand, I was holding that ear iron on my left hand. In my left hand, I kept on my another ear." So he repeated the mistakes, which he was not supposed to make it. So learn from your mistakes. So how we can learn from our mistakes? When you put the problems in their proper perspective. What is your attitude towards problems? It is important. If you really want to progress in your life, so you are supposed to understand how you keep the problems in their proper perspective. So in this way, you will learn from your problems also, and you will progress. You know you have the problems, accept, face, keep them into their proper perspective, and progress. Keep progressing. That thing can make you the winner, and you are the winner. You are confident. Only believe in yourself. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Have a nice time ahead.